Hello guys, welcome back to J-Reviews. Today we're going to make a chicken casserole. Okay, so we got some chicken, we have some mushrooms, some chicken stock, carrots, I think onions. So we are going to make a chicken casserole because it's been ages since I've made one of those. So I think last time I made was a chicken curry, I'm sure it was, but let's get started. So as you do first guys, please be very careful with a sharp knife. Just cutting them open with the chicken. Obviously just put the chicken inside your slow cooker, which yes, we have a slow cooker. And let's get cooking. So just like one by one inside the slow cooker. So when you've done all that, so we have just prepped the chicken in the slow cooker. What we're going to have to do now is some onions, so just some vegetables, some onions, mushrooms and carrots, so we can get chopping them up. Don't forget guys to like, comment and subscribe if you find my content very interesting indeed. It's been gorgeous weather out today, beautiful weather. What's it like over yours? Get some decent sized onions. Should be alright. Meat chopping. Please be very careful with the knife where you cut in your onions, mushrooms and carrots. And once you've all chopped all your vegetables, we'll get cooking. As in there, slice the onions. We slice the mushrooms and carrots now. I know there is some ways that you can actually do, like slicing up mushrooms, but I sometimes do them like that. Or just like cut down there and then straight down there and then like that. But you could do it any sort of ways, can't you, now these days, like slice up the mushrooms like that way. Oh yeah, so cut them however you like. So we'll be doing the carrots next. Now we have sliced up the mushrooms, we now go for the carrots. As we now slice up the carrots, we can get cooking in the slow cooker. All this chopping away. Does anybody love a chicken stir fry? Chicken stir fry. Does anybody like a chicken casserole? I ain't had one for ages, but I love them. But as we do that, so as we know, we have put it all in the slow cooker, which I'll show you now. There we are, guys. Done that now, so all we have to do now is wait for it to cook. So as we wait for the kettle to boil, we can just put a bit of water in. And anyway, like a raw carrot. I love a raw carrot, isn't it? Video guys will show you the variations of it. There we go. Well, as you put it in there, the slow cooker, excuse me, as you put it all in the slow cooker, we have a stock cube. So obviously, as you do, just pull that off the plastic and then put it in. You are very tight though. So obviously, just put it like that. The chicken stock cubes, and then you put it all in the slow cooker. Bit more left. There we are. Right, now if I will show you now, guys. There we are. What do you reckon? Should go let it cook now, guys. Anyway, I will show you the results after, okay guys? So any more helpful tips would be appreciated. But anyway, for now guys, keep all your notifications turned on for this channel, or turn all your notifications on for this channel. Like, comment and subscribe. There will be another video shortly. So in the meantime guys, take care.